Thank you for taking a look at Insight software. Insight has been helping tanning businesses like yours for nearly 30 years. We also have the ability to track both tanning appointments and businesses that are primarily walk-in based. We also interface with the TMAX timers. Right now, you are currently looking at our appointment book. Whether you are booking appointments online via your website or social media accounts, or clients are calling in to book an appointment, Insight has the ability to track them. It's super easy to book an appointment. So all you would need to do is double click in the calendar wherever you want to put the appointment. And automatically, a list of all your clients will show up on the left-hand side. If you happen to be booking an appointment for a new client, simply click the little new button and a window will open up and allow you to register their information. If you're booking for an existing client, simply start typing the client's name and it will find the client for you. Once you choose the client, a list of all your tanning services will populate. So just click on the service that you would like to book and click OK. And this will populate that appointment in the appointment book. Once the appointment is in there, if you need to move it, you can simply drag and drop the appointments anywhere that you like. You'll also notice that there's a little star next to Brandy's name, which means she is a brand new client. So if there's something special you do for new clients, such as have them fill out intake forms, Insight does have the ability to have clients fill out digital intake forms through our iPad app. So on any app or Android device, you can download an Insight app and customize all kinds of forms that you have your clients complete. The little green check marks that you see in the appointment book means that they've confirmed their appointment. Insight has the ability to send out automated reminders of appointments via text or email. So if that client receives that confirmation and replies and confirms that they are coming, it will automatically put a green check mark next to their name in the appointment book. When the client arrives for the appointment, you simply click on the appointment and go down to the bottom and click Check-in, go to Invoice. This will automatically pull up everything in the sales screen for you. So if you've entered any pictures in for your clients, that will show up here on the left-hand side. And it will also indicate whether or not they have a package that they've already paid for. This particular client does not have a package right now. So I either have the option of allowing her to tan one time for $20, or I can click on Sell a Package, and a list of all the packages that I have will automatically populate. So I go ahead and choose the package I would like to sell. I can also indicate the employee that sold it, so if you're tracking that for reporting purposes. And it will populate everything automatically for you, and all you need to do is click Finish. If you're wanting to sell something like a product, you can either use a barcode scanner and scan the barcode on the product, or click Products in the top left-hand corner, and a list of all the products will show up on the left-hand side. Just click on the products you would like to sell, and it will add it to your ticket and keep a running total in the bottom right-hand corner. You will also notice that it will calculate any appropriate taxes. Once you're ready to pay, on the left-hand side, a list of all your payment methods will show up. If you're integrating your credit cards through Insight, you will simply click on the credit card button, and Insight will automatically send this total to your machine. The customer will insert the card, and once that payment is processed, it'll clear out the transaction for you in the bottom right-hand corner. Click Finish when you're all done, and it's letting you know that that package is about to be recorded on Best Record, and it will ask you at the very end how many minutes you would like to tan. So this is what's going to set that timer for the amount of minutes that the client wants to go today. Once you're done, it will finish out the transaction for you and bring you back into the appointment book. And you can see once I've cashed that client out and put them in the bed, it changes the little color on the left-hand side. So I am able to see easily which clients have not arrived and which ones are here and have already had their session. All of your tanning services get set up under Services, and you can customize all the services that you do. So for example, I have different levels of sessions set up, as well as a tanning session that can be upgraded. So for example, if I sell someone a level 1 package and they would like to tan in a level 2 or level 3 bed, you do have the ability to allow them to upgrade their package. And over here on the far right-hand side, you'll just indicate what an upgrade fee would be for that. All of your tanning services and packages are also set up and customized by you. So if you are doing session packages where you're selling somebody 10 sessions, or if you are selling a unlimited package where you're selling somebody unlimited tanning for 1 month, or you're selling minute packages where you're selling 100 minutes, Insight has the ability to customize all sorts of packages as well as tanning memberships where you are doing a recurring billing them on a monthly basis and allowing them to tan as long as that membership is valid. You can also indicate for each package when they expire and whether or not those particular packages are able to be upgraded. If your business is primarily walk-in based, when that client walks through the door, all you do is go up to Paying Client and start typing the client's name. Once you do so, a list of all your clients show up on the left-hand side, and you click on the client you want to book for, and your tanning window will automatically populate. And again, it will indicate whether or not they have a package, and you can see the last time they tanned and how minutes they tanned in the top right-hand corner. If I want to go ahead and repeat the last session, I just click on that button, and it will automatically populate that in there for you. Click Finish when you're all done, and you can see that it is not charging anything for that package because it's already paid for. I just simply click Finish in the bottom right-hand corner. And once again, the little window will pop up and ask how many minutes that client would like to tan. Since she tanned for 17 minutes last time, if she wants to stay the same or bump up, you can do so at this time. All of your tanning beds get set up in the setup area. You will have the ability to indicate levels and categories of beds. It also tracks your bulb life hours for you, and it will pop up when you get to half life, quarter life, and 2 hours left. You can indicate whether or not the beds can be booked online. And if you're interfacing with the TMAX timers, over here on the far right-hand side is where you can create maximum durations for your bed, lead times, cleanup times, and indicate which beds belong to which levels, and you can even create schedules for your beds. The software also has the ability to do payroll. So if you have employees that clock in and out, they can do so with the time clock. And Insight can track salaries, hourly rates, commissions, taxes and deductions, and even print pay stubs. There's all kinds of reporting that you can do. You can do a cash out report at the end of the day, a sales report. So if you want to see tanning sale packages, tanning sale sessions, you can also do client reports. The software also has the ability to do an employee report, statistical reports, management reports, and even graphs. There's several hundred reports that you can run in the software. You also can set up events. So whether it's a confirmation event for their appointment or a marketing event where you want to send out birthday emails, or clients that haven't been in a while, you want to send them a message letting them know that you miss them or that you're giving them a special promotion, Insight has the ability to do all of that. There's also technical support available with the software. You will have an 800 number which you will be able to call with any questions that you have. And it also has a manual built into the software program. If you have specific questions about tanning or would like a more customized demo for your business, feel free to call our sales office at 888-919-5841 and ask for Crystal or Kathy.